In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, hit About Phone at the bottom and select the device name over here. Now type in whatever you want to, in my case Sunny, and when you finished, hit OK in device name pop-up. Then select OK in device name pop-up about visibility to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!